Hello guys, and welcome back to another class of our course about the complete introduction to quantum computing. So in today's class we are going to set up all the tools that we need to be able to work with Microsoft Q. And basically what we need to do is download a code editor. And the code editor that we are going to use to work with the Microsoft Q is pretty simple. It's called Visual Studio Code. So how exactly do we download this code editor? Well, it's pretty simple. First thing that you guys will need to do is simply, let's say you are on Google. What you want to do is download Visual Studio Code. So basically you simply write down Visual Studio Code and you should have access to it. So the logo looks something like this. It's pretty simple. It's going to be the first thing right here. Simply click on it and then you can click on the download button. So basically, you just need to choose your type of Windows. And from the moment that you have downloaded Visual Studio, you can download different plugins. So for example, you can download Python. So you have access to Python, you have access to different programming languages, and you can all download them to be able to work with them. So personally, I have Python on my Visual Studio Code. If you work with Python, you can download it as well. If not, well, it's not a big deal. All right, so next thing that we need is downloading Microsoft Q. So basically we need, if we want to have access to Microsoft Q, we need to download it as well. So pretty simple, what I do is I simply write down on Google Microsoft Quantum Development Kit Visual Studio. And it's gonna be the one right here. So pretty simple, you simply click on the install button. Really important, if you simply install this, the development kit, it's not gonna work because you don't have Visual Studio. So it's really important to download Visual Studio first. Then you can download Microsoft Quantum Development Kit. So if we look at the Visual Studio, it looks something like this. And here you can find the programs that you have. Well, not the programs, but the programming languages that you have. So for me, for example, I have Python right here. And I have Microsoft Quantum Development Kit that is right here. And from this moment, it's pretty simple. Well, now you have everything you need and you are all set and ready to start. So that's it for this class, guys, and see you all in our next class.